Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to unlock Wowi Ultra from Digicel. This model is also known as SQ776. In order to unlock this device, I'm going to use a Furiousgold box and OT Smart module latest version. As you are going to notice very soon, this phone is network locked. Let's wait a little for the phone to start. So, as you can see, it is requesting for a SIM lock. So let's remove the network lock from this phone. The first step is to power it off, of course. Once the phone is off, I'm going to select our model from the models list, Wowi Ultra. And from the operations box, I'm going to check remove SIM lock and press connect. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to simply insert the USB cable in the powered off phone. And if everything is okay, the software detects the device and the work starts. You should also notice that the phone is going to be hanged in the Digicel logo. So let's return back to the software. So in only 45 seconds, the phone got unlocked. Now I'm going to remove the USB cable from it and power it on in order to check if it's really unlocked. So we need to wait a little for the phone in order to register to the network. As you can see, it's not requesting anymore for the unlock code. It seems the battery is low. Okay, so as you see, it got registered to the network. We have here Vodafone Romania. We have here full signal, 3G. So everything is okay. The data is working also. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.